Hey guys, I'm Celebrity Stylist Kiyah Wright, and I want to give you guys some tips on when you're making your first purchase for your lace front wig. Some key things that you might want to check out when you're making that purchase and you're clicking that button, because ultimately you want to change your life. And I know that feeling. When you change your hair, you change your life. I know it myself firsthand. But here's some key things that I want to just share with you when you're purchasing your first piece and you're about to click that button. Some things you might want to look for. First steps first, you might want to measure your head. Get a measuring tape and measure your head. We have a chart over on muzehair.com that'll show you how to measure your head, just so you know whether you're a small, a medium, or a large. That's number one. You want to know the size of your head. Two, questions that people always ask, you may want to know, do they bleach the knots? Bleaching the knots, you just flip that piece right over and typically they show you that the knots are bleached. Two, do you want to know about that adjustable strap? That's always good to have too, because when that head is extra small, you know that you're going to get that little bit of extra grip, and the good thing is it's adjustable. All right. Another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that it looks natural. Some vendors, when you go and get that hair, the hairline is like super thick and you got to like do so much construction. But the key to it is to have less to do, so that you pop it out the box and you just pop it right on your head. All you have to do is get it styled. That's it. All right. So those are the key things when you're about to click that button and you're about to make that purchase. Hey, check out Muze Hair. I promise you won't be disappointed. All right.